Hey you guys, we have a 12-minute full body workout today. Go ahead and grab some weights. You are going to need something a little bit heavier and then something you can press overhead. We're getting into upper body, lower body, and core throughout this exercise. We have 6 different exercises in today's workout. We're going to be working 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and we do have 2 rounds of these exercises. So if you want to make this into a full length workout, go ahead and do this for 5 or 6 rounds, but today we are only going to be doing it together for 2. So grab your weights and I will see you over there.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe Uh.